Hello everyone, my name is Ocasio, and I just wanted to give you a quick playthrough of my rollerball challenge. Right now we're going to go ahead and do the winning playthrough. I was able to create the balls and two obstacles in also my first stage while creating like small ramps and ways to possibly get around. In the second stage, I more or less put the pickups in the corners while mixed with, say, the enemy blocks so that you'd have a reason to kind of maneuver around the blocks and also trying to stay away from the obstacles. Let's go ahead and do the losing playthrough now. Now here is the losing playthrough. We go ahead and we pick up the red blocks, which decreases the player lives. And boop, yeah, you lose. Thank you very much for watching the game, and you guys have a good day.